I got a big box full of wire, and I've been looking around for a certain tool to try and strip it. And I've been seeing this a lot. And I decided to order one. And so far, it's working out pretty good. I purchased this with my own money, not affiliated with anybody. Coppermine wire stripper. Opening the box, you get the tool and a couple blades. You can even set it for cutting out the electrical wire for housing, to cut the sleeve for that, and then go around and individually get them. Alright, so I got 14 gauge wire. Go on here, go to select the right hole, and then I like to push a little bit, not too much of a grip, but it slips right on through. Just like that. And then get that off. Hold on. And then just like that. Comes right off. And there we go. Wire. Okay, 14 gauge. We would just loosen this down to this one. And to adjust the blade, use a Phillips screwdriver, which allows it, you would come through here, adjust it this way, and it allows the blade to go deeper or shallower. So we switched it, make sure it's lined up right, tighten it up. Got 14 gauge wire, get a little bit enough to get a grip on it, and slide her on through. I'm not pulling that hard. It just depends on how hard you're squeezing on the tool itself. You just gotta find that edge. There it is. And there you go. And this is 14 gauge. Then you got 10 gauge. Or 18 gauge. And you want to adjust. Bam, bam. Nope, too small. You can get that. It does help if it's straightened out. And this one's got to back out a little bit. And there you go. And just like that. Now, just to get all that. All right. Here we got, I got 10 gauge. This is the biggest gauge wire I could find around my house. So we adjust it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Oh, this guy. Perfect. I'm gonna get my Phillips. And then there's the Phillips. take it, loosen her down so the blade comes down further. We hit, set it, and then you have to pull it. Boom. With ease. There we go. Bam. While using it, probably should wear gloves, because the only flaw I found was part of the razor blade is hanging out right there. And I already got myself just a baby cut, but if you're not paying attention, it'll get you.